Chickweed is another common weed which is edible and has healing properties. In traditional Chinese medicine, it has been used to help heal wounds and infections. In Ireland and Britain, it's a common remedy for skin irritation, itchy rash, and also wound healing. It is also used to reduce inflammation and pain of skin, joints, and even respiratory tract illnesses such as bronchitis. Use as tea or add a strong tea to a warm bath for rheumatoid arthritis. Use moistened crushed leaves for an itchy rash or add a strong tea to a bath. Use as tea to treat constipation. Use as tea for detoxification and blood purification. Use as salve or add to a bath for varicose veins. Use as poultice with ginger root and raw honey to draw poisons out of the body in cases of blood poisoning due to wounds, boils, sores, or even tetanus. Note that some people are allergic to chickweed, so test it first.